Hey guys! In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best meal prep containers available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1 is the Enther Bento style 20-pack meal containers. Enther Bento boxes are made to last and withstand the rigors of everyday use. They won't break and, better yet, they're microwave safe, making them a perfect option for anyone who wants a hot, freshly prepared home-style meal at work, for example. They're BPA-free and have been thoroughly tested and approved for everyday use. They make healthy eating a breeze with 3 different sections and a total of 32 ounces of storage capacity. With this current offer, you'll receive 20 containers, allowing you to simply plan and prepare your entire week's worth of meals. They're also designed to stack neatly on top of one another, so they won't take up much space in your kitchen cupboard. They're built for the modern house and are ideal for anyone who has a hectic on-the-go lifestyle and might otherwise opt for unhealthy or pricey takeaway fast food options. They're also stain and odor resistant, so they won't transfer unpleasant flavors and odors to your newly made meal, and they can be easily washed in the dishwasher afterward. Moving up at number 2 is the Prep Naturals 5-pack glass meal containers. Prep Naturals' second set of meal prep containers offers a 5-pack glass, stackable food storage solution. Because the containers are made of glass, they are BPA-free and have smartest lock-sealable lids that are guaranteed leak-proof, so you won't have to worry about spilt food in your work backpacks. They're a beautiful and environmentally friendly solution for preparing meals at home and enjoying them afterwards. They're ample-sized for optimal portion control, holding 29 ounces and measures 6.5 inches by 4.75 inches by 2, and may be frozen as well as microwaved. These are a healthier and more environmentally friendly alternative to plastic, as they are made of certified borosilicate glass, which is both sturdy and long-lasting, as well as oven-safe. If you're searching for a portable meal prep container that's safe to use in the microwave, oven, freezer, and dishwasher while also being ecologically friendly, this is a terrific option. At number 3 on our list is the Prepa 20-pack meal prep containers. By name and by nature, EZ is simple, especially when it comes to meal planning for the week ahead. With 20 reusable and stackable containers and lids included in this set, this is a cost-effective and no-nonsense approach to meal planning. They've been designed to make it easy to measure out the proper portion sizes, which is useful if you're attempting to keep your calorie intake under control or regulate your macro content. These containers provide the discipline that you might not otherwise have. They're FDA-approved and BPA-free, and they can be used in the microwave, freezer, and dishwasher, making them durable, versatile, and long-lasting. Perfect for putting in your child's backpack so you can be certain that they are having a nutritionally sound and well-balanced meal to take to work. At number 4 is the Fitpacker 16-pack meal prep containers. Fitpacker is the first in our meal prep container review, with one single compartment storing up to 28 ounces of food storage space. This set includes 16 reusable containers and lids that may be used from the freezer to the microwave and then straight into the dishwasher. How's that for time saving and convenience? They include a unique Shore lock seal that snugly snaps into place for a tight, leak-proof fit every time, so you don't have to worry about your Fitpacker food box ending up at the bottom of your gym bag. When not in use, they stack neatly on top of one another, taking up very little room. They're FDA approved, created in the United States, and certified BPA-free, as well as phthalate-free. As a result, they are a safe, secure, and convenient option for all of your meal preparation needs. With these meal prep containers by your side, you have no excuse for not making a nutritious, balanced, nutritionally sound dinner for yourself or the kids. All you have to do now is determine what great meals to make for the coming week. The 5th product on our list is the Evolutionize meal prep containers. Anyone trying to get ahead on meal planning will appreciate this 7-pack of Evolutionize store meal prep containers. Each day of the week has its own container, allowing you to create healthy meals that you may eat anytime you want. The fact that these meal prep containers only have one compartment is one of the most significant things to mention. That means you won't be able to effectively separate distinct substances. On the other side, this enables you to fully utilize the 28-ounce capacity. You can really cram a lot of stuff into these containers. They're composed of food-safe plastic, can be frozen or microwaved, and can be stacked for convenient storage. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.